Listen first.
Listen first, ha? You violate Philippine law, the RA 4224, or also known as illegal practice of medicine.
May complaint na tayo sa dali.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they use against you in any court in the Philippines.
Business.
You have the right to have counsel,
PRC, tsaka DOH, tsaka yung ITA.
but if you can afford, the government will give you one. And you have the right to have physical examination by a competent doctor. But if you cannot